begin. Shot. Shot. See it? Aqui anda agora uma lá e vi catching You've been catching big stuff. Ten years ago I shot you bastard. You make this real eat up. You're aunties. Tell me that's no smart, eh? For a bird. Can't even bloody no. That's a wee bit better. Sort of stir up the legs. Sort of obliging though, isn't it? Just sitting there. No care in the world. Alright, big stuff. How you saying? Been catching you're long guy thin. Salmon further down the way. They're too big for you. Oh well. Just wait, play on. See you later, big stuff.